Hi, welcome back, boys and girls. So we are going to be working on our 2020 bundle today. So everybody go ahead and pull it out. We are going to look at our calendar, and then we're looking at the one for Friday, and it says we are going to continue with pages 3 and 4. So flip the page. We already did page 1 and 2. Now we're going to go to page 3. So we're going to count the objects and color the circle with the number of objects. So let's review our numbers. Let's count to 10. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, boys and girls. So now let's go ahead and do box number 1. How many leaves do we see? Let's count. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you are going to color what number? 8. And you are going to do the same thing for the rest of the boxes. Now let's go to page 4. Here we are going to, on page 4, we are going to do the same thing, only that there is no numbers. So I want you to write how many lions do you see, how many flowers do you see. So for example, let's see, how many lions do you see here? Let's count. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Uh-oh, but there's more over here. Let's count. So there's 8 here. Let's continue. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So I want you to write 23. Do you know how to write 23? Great job. So you are going to put a 2 and a 3. Then you are going to count the total of number of flowers over here, and then the total number of apples, and so on and so forth. When you are done, I want you to take a picture and submit it for a grade. If you have any questions regarding the assignment, parents, feel free to reach out to the teacher. We are more than happy to help. Good luck, and when you are done, have a great weekend.